Earlier we saw how simple it is to process a customer job work sales order. Right from customer material inward to production issue, production receipt and subcontract processing. Now that item is ready, we will raise an invoice. Now please go to Sales Order Based Credit Invoice. Select the customer and customer ID will automatically appear. Ship to ID also can be changed if required. Select the customer order number. In this example, we will take order number 25. Enter order details like transport, payment terms and remarks if any. Please click Submit. simpliRP will guide to item entry page. System will show you the items in the selected sales order. Select the item. Select the batch number which is now automatically fetched. Get previous supply. It will show if we have previously supplied. Enter packing details if any. Price will be automatically brought from the customer order, minimizing the human error. Once you enter the quantity and click Tab, it will automatically calculate the tax and total. Click Save Item. Then you can print invoice. That's all. simpliRP will generate the customer invoice with a whole lot information. From customer order number to tax calculation to bank details. You can print or save the invoice as PDF. You can revisit the sales order project costing report. You can see the customer invoice is also appearing and all the history related to that job work order is shown there. You can also go to Sales Reports, Pending SO versus Invoice Report. Select the dates. You can see the report is showing the order quantity and invoiced quantities. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your customer order processing. Thank you.